Welcome back to my channel, Dorese's Daily Deets, where I focus on everything from fashion, beauty, a little bit of luxury to lifestyle. As you could tell by the title, this is gonna be like a unboxing slash first impressions of the Tory Burch mini Perry tote. So if you want to go ahead and see what I think about this handbag, then make sure you keep on watching. But before we get into that, if you have not hit the subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that button, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading these videos. And of course, make sure you guys are commenting, engaging, hitting that thumbs up button for the algorithm and all that good stuff, because of course, it's how I'm going to continue to grow here on this platform. And without further ado, we're just going to jump right into the video. Guys, this is my second time recording this. I accidentally deleted the first video, so I'm a little, it took a lot for me to go ahead and sit down and re-film this again, because if you're a content creator, then you know what that feels like. You record a whole video, it gets deleted, you're just like, oh, but the devil is a liar. That's all I'm gonna say. And this is what as good as it gets. You're getting me in my Christmas pajamas because your girl's on her break. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna film this video because I want to get it out. And I know you guys love my Tory Burch content. So yes, around Black Friday, because I'm so behind with filming and everything. And I swear, y'all, I got sick. So of course I'm like 2 weeks behind my other video. I'm finally getting out of that and back on track. So I'm so happy I'm at the tail end of this whole sick thing. It was not the vid. Your girl is good, but I was under the weather. So now I'm back. I'm, ready to go ahead, start filming it again, finally, and get on a regular schedule. So again, I went ahead, I picked up this bag here. This was during the Black Friday sale. I think they were having a 30% off sale at Tory Burch. I do not have any handbag in like this off-white color. And I thought this was the perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and pick up a Tory Burch handbag, because honestly, I had Tory Burch shoes in my collection, no handbags per se. So that was like my cue. Now, when I'm shopping for handbags nowadays, if you know, I am a top handle girl. I prefer a top handle on any handbag. I just prefer that to be a feature that it includes. Now, I also prefer it to be crossbody. I realize that I'm not really a shoulder bag girl. I really, have been really curating the perfect handbag collection for myself. And I really find that I just love when I can just run in and out of somewhere and always have the option to just grab my bag top handle. So that's that. I love easy access. Now this bag here does provide that, because as you can see, and now look, this was supposed to be a whole unboxing. I unboxed it in the other video that got deleted, but at this point, it's cool. It's be a cute little short and sweet video. But yeah, so as you can see, it has a really nice opening. It has a dark brown interior, but what I love is that it has this middle compartment for anything that you may have that's essential, anything that you may have that's, valuable. And then it also has an outside pocket right on top of that. So I think that's going to be really, really good. I don't really reach for this bag right now so much, but I have like a pair of Coach loafers that I have been trying to find a bag to match for the longest. I didn't really want to break the bank, but I wanted to still get something, that was nice. I guess affordable in a sense, and, was understated. So that's really kind of what I've been going for in the handbag department. And I thought this was the perfect option. Now, one thing about this bag that I do love is the fact that, you have the option of taking the Tory Burch emblem out if you want a nice little pop of gold. And I think that is just so cute. I love that. I love the fact that you can either do it, either way. And I love that it has this darker, almost like a, not really a cognac, I would say, but it's like it's a nude, like a shade of nude that is a little darker. So say you're wearing something that has maybe something in it that's this color, that this little piece here does bring that out. It'll be really good up against like browns, especially like in the spring. I really see myself bringing this out more so in the spring, summer months, even though sometimes, you know, I do have my winter white moments, but this is definitely probably going to be more of a spring handbag for me. And the quality, it feels really, really nice. So far, so good. Super impressed. I mean, clearly you can fit quite a bit in here. This will be a great mom bag in a sense. So if you don't know, if you're new here, I am a mom. I have a 2-year-old, now 2-year-old daughter. She actually just turned 2 on the 10th. So I don't have to carry that much stuff anymore, but you know, when you just need to have like, you know, wipes or something like that, or, you know, just any type of thing. It has a really nice lining that's like, it can be wiped out. It's like that Saffiano leather in the inside, which is a very durable form of leather. And I just think this is going to be really, really good. Now this crossbody strap, it is removable, but I am a crossbody girl. I know a lot of people are always like, oh, I would never wear it with the strap. I'm wearing it with the strap. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a quick little try on. Excuse my PJs. Just like I said, we improvising here. This is my second time recording this video, so bear with me, but I'll go ahead and just put this on for you guys so you get an idea what it looks like. Hopefully I'll move this chair out the way. You can kind of see where it hits, which I think is the perfect point on me. I am 5'5" for reference. So I think this is just really, really, it's just a good bag. So not sure if you guys, excuse me, I'm not sure if you guys were possibly interested in getting this bag, but if you were, so far so good. I've only carried it once, and I really didn't carry it. I actually used this to carry another bag because y'all, I got a luxury haul coming up because I have been getting so much stuff for such good deals. You guys already know we don't break the bank here on this channel. We're all about affordable luxury and how you could still have nice things and not break the bank. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this is going to be my like second Tory Burch handbag. I've sold my first one. So technically this is like the only Tory Burch handbag that I have in my collection. I really, really like it. Now I believe I got this, and if it's still available, I'll link it below. It was so long ago, y'all, but I think I paid a little under, I think it was like 200. I had all this in my last video. I'm telling you, I edited it and everything. It was ready to be uploaded. I'm still so upset about that. But yeah, so I'll put the price on the screen. I can normally retail for like $248, but I think I got it around like the $200 mark, which is not bad to me, honestly, for this. And it has a snap closure if you will be using that. I'm probably more than likely not going to do that. Again, I just like to be able to go in my bags, like especially to get my phone and things like that. So yeah, so that is that. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it when it comes to this handbag. Let me know in the comments if you ever have purchased this. I don't see a lot of videos on the small version of this, so I thought this was the perfect time to kind of like come in, talk about the bag, show you my first impressions of what I think. And I think it definitely, it's like, it's a nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's like perfect for those in between days when you don't want to like have a mini bag and you don't want to be carrying around a tote bag. I think this is a great option. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, I know this was kind of a short but sweet one, but every video does not need to be super long, especially when you're just kind of reviewing or talking about your first impressions on something. If you want more detailed or a more detailed update, I'm more than happy to do that for you guys as well. So again, thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.